Hi, Bobbi Brown, makeup artist and founder of Jones Road Beauty, here to talk about holiday. Now, you don't often think about holiday makeup and natural looks. I actually like to do a natural holiday look, which just means you keep everything natural looking, but add some kind of special something, whether it's a little bit of glitter or shimmer, high color. And so I'm going to show you ways that you can just literally take it up a few notches and make yourself look absolutely glamorous while still looking natural. So I am going to start with our beautiful model Eugenia, who doesn't need a whole lot to begin with, but what's so beautiful is that she's adding these earrings, which makes me realize that sometimes all you need is a little bit of like stardust. Tweezerman makes this amazing little mini tweezer. It's called the Stardust Tweezer. So if you're going from work to a party or to dinner, it fits in your makeup bag and it's perfect for getting rid of the little hairs. I really think that a great makeup should have defined brows. So I'm using a brush that is a spoolie and is a flat brush to add the brows. Now I'm using a shadow to define the brows. My tip is when you put it into the shadow, you tap and get the excess off, and then you fill in the brows. And it's so great because when there's a spoolie on the other side, you literally could take it and brush the brows up and add definition. And what's great, since I'm using an eyeshadow formula, you can always also use this to add a little more definition to your eyes, to do a soft smoky eye. And you could actually use the same brush that I just used with the shadow on the eyebrows. So I'm just adding a little bit to just go a little bit smokier. So I'm adding the brown, which I used in the brow, right over the liner. And it's not hard, it's actually very easy because you're just using one shadow and one brush. And it doesn't have to be precisely put on, but what's really nice, it's diffused. So you put it on, you soften the edges, you can add more, you can add less, and it depends how strong you want your eye. And the trick is to start at the lash and build up until you have the desired amount. If you wanted to add a little flick of a cat eye, you can do that by adding more color and just exaggerating it and going out a little bit to add a little bit of a flick. And if we wanted to add a little bit of extra glamour, I'm going to use this brush, which is the shaping brow brush, but also works really great for eyeshadow. A little bit of shimmery lid color. So I'm going to add a little high shine on the lid, and this formula is so easy to apply, but the brush really gives it great density so you could actually see it and not have to spend too much time blending it. And I'm going to add a little bit of highlight, a little bit of light under the brow bone. And by the way, even after you put mascara on from day to night, you could still use the comb to comb it out. You use the curler first, and then you use the comb at the very end. For holiday, I suggest adding to your kit the Stardust Lash Set. You can absolutely curl your lashes, put your mascara on, and comb it out and have everything all in one place. This is my take on a natural holiday look. Happy holidays, everyone.